11 Ways to Prevent Alzheimer's, according to doctors. Promising research is being done that shows that you can reduce your risk of Alzheimer's and dementia through simple lifestyle tweaks. You're not getting enough sleep. Studies have shown a connection between poor sleep and a higher risk of beta-amyloid protein plaque accumulation, one of the telltale signs of the disease. You're not exercising. Get moving. Regular exercise can reduce your risk by up to 50% according to the Alzheimer's Research and Prevention Foundation. You're not eating a Mediterranean diet. When we talk about the Mediterranean diet, we're talking about eating lots of fresh fruit and vegetables, nuts, whole grains, olive oil, fish, moderate amounts of eggs, dairy, red wine, and eating red meat sparingly. You're not connecting socially. You don't have to be the life of the party, but you do need time to connect with people who make you feel heard and who stimulate your mind. You're not drinking, but just a little. There's strong evidence that drinking heavily on a regular basis increases the risk of Alzheimer's and dementia, so tipple just a little. You're not keeping a healthy weight. A good way to start dropping weight is by saying bye-bye to carbonated beverages. You're not learning new things. The more novel and complex the activity, the greater the brain benefit. You're not buckling up or wearing a helmet. As we age, falls are an increasing risk. You're not getting balanced. Try yoga, Pilates, or Tai Chi to help stay healthy and coordinated. You're not managing your blood pressure. Keeping your blood pressure down is good for your heart and brain. You didn't quit smoking. When you stop smoking, the brain benefits from improved circulation almost immediately, and your skin will look better too. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please hit the liked button. Want a heads up when we post a new video? If yes, just hit the notification button to get added to our VIP invite list. Share